Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present you our project, which is automatic cloth folding. People nowadays have been living with tight schedule in their life. Household chores, despite gender discrepancy, has been a burden for many. This work is a burden for many and sometimes tiring depending on the amount of clothing and number of people in house. Usually a person uses conventional method to fold the clothes, which by hand folding. Clothes such as shirts, pants, and undergarments are the usual, and if multiplied by the number of persons in family, will consume a lot of time and energy. This is a predicament for an average person that needs to be resolved. Problem statement of this project is lack of time, generally faced by the working women who have to manage the household chores, and lots of college students are annoyed by spending time folding clothes. Second, untidy clothes. People dump their clothes as it is in the cupboard when they are feel lazy or tired. This leads to mess in cupboards and makes difficult in finding clothes in emergency case. Lastly, high cost price. Most of the folding machines on the market are unaffordable because they are sold at high price. The objective of this project is simplify work. To save more energy and time can be saved by this automatic t-shirt folding machine and can be used in some other work. Second, neat and tidy. To ensure the neatness of consumer clothes and reduce the manual efforts of clothes folding. Lastly, save cost. To prepare a cost-effective machine that will require less human involvement.
Scope of this project is user scope suitable for all users. System scope is for system in motor servo make the folding clothes board rotate to left, right, and up. Second, work under power supply. And then lastly, it takes only a few seconds to fold the clothes. For system out is press the push button to start folding clothes. Second, cannot work if power supply disconnect. Lastly, all of the clothes are neat and tidy.